Hi folks, I'm out here making some fudge. The first thing I did is I tossed in some milk chocolate chips. One package of milk chocolate chips. Okay, hold on a second. Sadly, I forgot my tripod. So I went off camera and I added 2 teaspoons of vanilla and 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. Now I'm going to stir all this up. As you can see here, I've begun stirring it under low heat. And I'll stir it for a couple minutes and then I'll show you what we do next. There we go. I finally found my tripod so I can show you, I can stir it and talk to you while I'm doing this. Okay, we got all the ingredients in. Simple stuff. You can also use the microwave oven to heat this. But I prefer to put it on the stove top under low heat. I've got it on like number 2.5. Pretty low. And we'll stir it till we get rid of all these lumps. Okay. Now, we turn the heat off and we're going to pour our concoction here into the pan. And I'll use a spatula to get all of it out. Okay, you get my drift. Now I'm going to run and grab a spatula real quick. Okay folks, it's late at night and I made this up in just less than 5 minutes. Well, probably 5 minutes. This is my easy fudge. Now I'm going to put it in the refrigerator and refrigerate it for at least an hour. And then it should be ready to consume. The easiest, fastest fudge in the world. It's been an hour. It's supposed to go a little longer than that probably, but that's alright. Let's take a piece out. Look at that. Nice, good old piece of chocolate fudge. Look at that. Glass of milk and fudge, folks. That's what I'm going to have right now while you're sitting home wishing you could be in on the fudge. So until the next cooking escapade, I'll see you later.